Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a new background to a photo or video in a CapCut PC. So here I'm going to use a video that I want to add a new background to it. So just click on a video first, and then you need to remove its background before adding a new one. So just go to Cutout and click on the auto cutout to turn on the effect so that CapCut will remove the background of this video. Just wait until it's fully finished. So after the background has been removed, you need to go to basic and then just scroll down until you find canvas, and now click on the options. You can add a color background, a solid color background like this, or you can also choose style to have a background with more options like this. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on thanks or like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Thank you.